Hey everyone, I hope everyone is doing really well. I have been getting a lot of questions and a lot of readies, a lot of listos in the comments, and I'm very excited. I am excited to be able to share my story and be able to talk to everyone and meet new people. It's in a very exciting time. I'm very excited and enthusiastic for people who are ready to want to change things up, who want to really learn how digital marketing products work. One of the biggest things is when if you're seeing this, it's probably because you have like seen me on other platforms. And of course, you can Google me. I'm on different platforms as Bill Daily Pay with Gloria. I am going to show you how to access the blueprint. So if you go to your URL and right here where you just enter BillDailyPayWithGloria.com, and you will have to drop your email here. And once you drop your email here, you will get an email. And in the email, sometimes it goes to spam because there's like high security on all our emails nowadays. So just look in your spam folder, look in your inbox. You should get an email from me. And then that will give you access to the blueprint. There'll be a lot of information. It's up to, please just look through all the information, watch all the videos, go through all of it. Once you get to that stage and you enter the blueprint information, then you can make that decision on which one works best for you and your family. And then from there, you'll be able to access what is called School. And School is very cool because you can see, as you can see, there's a lot of folks in the School that we're almost at 60K. We have a lot of wins in the community. There's something also very neat where if you need help with tech or logins, there's a tech and help and log page. But of course, you have to start here. This is our starting point. Drop your email. I get to everybody. That's the beauty of automation. You will get the blueprint sent directly to you and get access to that, a step-by-step blueprint that you can access. I'm going to also make a video in Spanish because it's also for our Spanish community. We have just released, but if you come here and you land on this page, don't worry. There is a button here on the right-hand side. You can click on that. And then takes you to the Spanish page because now it's open to the Spanish community, which is amazing. I'm so excited that our Latinos are able to learn also how to access that blueprint, and they're able to take those classes in Spanish as well. I hope you guys all have a great and wonderful day, and I hope this helps that process on how to be able to access your blueprint. I hope everyone has a great and wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon.